we made it.
Howdy.
Hi. What's the last name on the reservation?
Childers.
How do you spell that?
Childers. Well, not like that other town up there.
And we're here for the
North Texas meetup. Man, what's it called?
Lola's North Texas meeting. Yep.
Yep. Troublemaker. She invited us. We told her we'll come on by. We're out here wandering around Texas anyway.
We are at Cedar Hill State Park in Cedar Hill, Texas. And it's south of Dallas. Between Fort Worth and Dallas, I would say. But look at the flooding. This is a tent site. There's another one that's flooded. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is a big lake too. Look at that. Man. They had tons of rain here. It's a pretty lake. Oh, y'all hear the plane? Yep. They're assessing the damage. Wow. They have a ton of sites blocked off because of this rain. I mean, they have whole loops blocked off because of all the rain. Flood, flood, flood. Well, this site here looks like the water has receded a little bit. Wow, what a mess. And this mud here is like concrete. How much rain did they have, honey?
Huh?
How much rain?
I'm not sure. They said on the news last night, right around, the normal's around 20 inches from January to August. I think that's what they said in this area of the country.
Right.
But they didn't had since August to now another 20 inches.
Whew.
Or 18 inches, something like that.
That's crazy.
Twice the amount they normally get. Well, yeah, it's gone down maybe 3 to 6 inches, I'd say. Where the wave line is, you can see it there.
Right.
I guess it rained so much these people just left the wood. Wasn't even worth fooling with. Somebody else will use it.
Wow. And y'all know what all the flooding causes? Standing water and mosquitoes. Most of the trails are closed. Wow.
Or they're just too wet to hike today.
Yeah.
The one we looked at down there had water standing in the trail. They just had a tremendous amount of rain here. Often hurricanes from the west coast coming across.
Yeah. It's crazy.
Beautiful park though.
It is indeed. Lots of camping in here. However,
Primitive camping too.
yeah. There's a ton of flooding. Almost everything along the water is flooded.
At least
I would say at least 50% of the park is flooded.
well, probably so.
I mean, even the day use area is flooded.
I mean, there's still picnic areas you can use, but they're the ones that are further back. And evidently, a lot of them go way all down there. You can see it.
Wow. Yeah, there's picnic tables or picnic shelters all throughout here. Can't get to any of them. Look at this flooding.
It's a nice little day use area, though.
It is. You just can't use it. You're going to use like 4 shelters out here. Wow.
Pretty area.
It is a pretty area.
Pretty.
It's sad that 50% of the park is flooded, though.
Yeah.
We've met some really nice folks here.
Oh, yeah.
And the colors are starting to change, which is awesome. We'll be able to see this all the way back to Georgia.
Today's October the 27th.
Yeah, wow.
Almost
This month has flown by.
Yeah, most of this month's been in Texas. You can spend years in Texas. Wow.
Oh, yeah.
Big state. Lots of varied landscapes.
Definitely. Texas is huge. Huge.
1,000 miles across. Probably 1,000 miles the other way too, from up in Amarillo all the way down to Brownsville or Houston. That's a long ways. It's a massive state.
Well, where we are at here, this is probably what? Centrally located.
Yeah, just off center.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Yeah. Dallas is more to the east of Texas, central Texas. I think there's some places in central Texas. I can't get my map now, it's so big I can't remember all of it. Ain't even gonna try to. Texas could be its own country. It's so big.
That's
they got all the
fact.
natural resources they need.
But how much was it to camp here, honey?
It's right at $30 a night for full hookup. Well, we have full hookup. We want a full hookup before we start to head back east. To get our laundry done and all that stuff. It turned off warm. It's kind of warm today. It's 77 right now, so it's supposed to be 84 today.
Checkout is at 2 p.m. They prohibit alcohol here. The maximum of 8 people permitted per campsite. Guests must leave at 10 p.m. And quiet time is from 10 to 6 a.m. They have extra parking all around. Got a dump station over here to our right. They have a couple dump stations here, actually.
Yeah, they have several. It's a really spread out park, too.
You have to keep your permit, the little sticker they give you, up in your window of your driving vehicle, so you can get in and out of the park. They got boat ramps and swimming, and but the swimming, you swim at your own risk. They got lots and lots of trails, but they're all closed because of the flooding. And they have bathhouses in each of the loops. If not one, they have 2, at least 2, in some of the larger loops. But it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. It's old.
It's older.
Yeah.
But it seems like it's been revamped. I mean,
yeah, parts of it have been revamped because we went through one of the loops that was very nice.
It had concrete steps instead of the asphalt.
Right. This is a nice site right here. This is number 145, and
Short.
it's long. It's long. And they've got the covered picnic table and grill down below. Very nice. Full hookup too.
What park is this? Cedar Hill.
And that's a little short for us, but
This is big enough right here.
right.
And you got parking on the side.
147. Isn't that nice, folks? That's very nice. I like this part of the state park. And it's not flooded here.
Right, it's hilly, so the water runs off. There's no standing water.
And they did this part up right.
Man, this is a really good park.
Very nice. This is Lakeview Loop, and there's a lot of short sites in here.
Some of them are long. It's an older loop.
Yes, this is the older loop. Of course, it goes back that way.
Some of them you can get bigger rigs in. Mm-hmm. But they have the measurements of each site at the office up there.
Exactly.
And I'm not sure how they do it online because I didn't go online. If I had to call
And
them,
these-
I couldn't go online.
Right. And these are all full hookup here. A lot of tent sites in here too.
Now, this was full. They're all pulling out now.
Right.
We were full
Yeah, it was full. Yeah.
Weekenders.
And we still got a bunch of them around us, but you know.
It's good.
And all of them have a covered picnic table, a grill, fire pit, and a light post.
Full.
Yep, full hookup.
They've got some water standing from all the rain.
Oh yeah. And there we sit. It's our little spot. We're on 187, which is an okay spot if it hadn't have flooded. We've
water.
got water and mud standing everywhere.
But not a bad site.
Not a bad one at all. There we are. Very nice site. Full hookup, 187. Yep, but you can see our mud. And here's our little area. Our little camp area. Yep. Picnic table. Of course, we got mud all over our feet, so he had to wash my shoes. But yeah, it's very nice. Very nice. And of course, if you wanted to go down to the water, you just take a little hike, go down through the woods here, and the water sits back over there. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, so what's your opinion of this state park, Mr. Childers?
Oh, it's of course the newer updated stuff is always extra nice, but because they've had so much rain, I still give it a 5.
Yeah.
On a scale of 1 to 5. I still get it's a nice park.
They have a ton of walking trails.
And they have a ton of activities here.
Yeah.
It's just the flood has just wiped everything out.
Exactly.
But I would come back here again and stay for a week or two. Yeah, it's a very nice state park.
Sweet.
Very nice.